Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now I am showing you the hair that I purchased from Amazon and everything that came in the package. And this wig is a 10-inch 13 by 4 by 1 natural wavy wig. And again, I said it's a 13 by 4 by 1 natural wavy wig, meaning this wig can only be parted down the middle. And if you guys been watching me for a while, you already know I have not bleached my knots in a while with any wig I've been wearing lately. I just used the knot healer, and I put it all over the lace, and I sprayed it evenly throughout the lace. And once I do that, it gives it like a scalp like appearance on the lace. And right now, you guys, this is a 10-inch bob, but I'm just kind of trimming the dead ends off the wig to kind of give it that actual bob look and bob cut. So yeah, after I'm done that, we're gonna come back to install the wig. Okay guys, so today to install this wig, we are pretty much going simple. We're going to make this wig a glueless wig, but before we actually get to putting this wig down, we're going to first cut off the lace on this wig. And once I cut the lace off, you guys, again, this is going to be a simple tutorial where I just spray some got2b spray on the top of the lace just to kind of hold it down a little bit. Before it's that's it. That's all I'm going to do with this wig. So right now I'm gonna just kind of take a little hair out to kind of do a little baby hairs. As you can see right now, I'm kind of plucking it a little bit just to kind of give it that natural looking effect. I was not too happy with this wig because I couldn't really get it the way I wanted, or maybe I just didn't like how it looked on me. But anyway, I just kind of took out this little section here just to kind of do a one swoop baby hair. And yeah, you guys, once I do that, that's it. I'm gonna come back and kind of give you my thoughts of what I thought about this wig. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts about this wig, definitely stay tuned to the end of the video. So right now, you guys, I'm going to take a little mousse and put it all over the hair to kind of give it that wet effect. This wig was pretty thin, and I mean, I guess that's a good thing because it is a bob. But yeah, I'm gonna just massage that mousse into my hair again to give it that wet look, that wet effect. And once I do that, guys, I will be done styling this wig and installing this wig. As I stated before, definitely stay tuned to the end of the video to definitely hear my thoughts on this wig and what I thought about it, how I felt about it, all that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned to the end of the video. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming in to talk to you guys about this curly bob that I'm wearing. This hair came from Amazon, and when I received it, it was a curly 10-inch 13 by 6 by 1, meaning you can only put this hair down the middle. So if you do not like middle parts, then this is not the wig for you. So my first impression of this wig, you guys, I like it, but at the same time it's okay for me. I feel like it was just a little difficult to style per se. I wouldn't even say style. I just couldn't get it the way I wanted to get it. I don't know. It's okay for me. I'm not 100% like, eh. The hair is not that full, but I guess that's a good thing because this is a bob and you don't want it that full. And this installment is glueless, so you can just pretty much prop this bad boy on and take it off. And lately I have been doing a lot of glueless installments. So yeah, overall the hair, it is definitely shedding a little bit. I did cut it a little more to kind of give it a more of a bob look. And it did come with a slight smell to it, but once I washed it, it was good to go. And as you guys seen in the beginning, I put a little mousse in there to make it a little more curlier, but I didn't do much to this wig. I used the wig knot healer to do the knots on the wig, and yeah, you guys, and I used the Got To Be spray to lay down it, but it's not completely laid down. As you can see, I can actually take this bad boy off whenever I'm ready. But yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say about this wig. It was okay for me just because I feel like I couldn't get it the way I wanted to. But yeah, so if you guys like this wig, I will put everything down in the description bar where you can purchase this wig from, and also all the products that I used in this video. Again, I will put them down in the description bar. I thank you guys again for coming back and tuning into another hair video of mine. Definitely before I jump out of this video, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, and along with the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so every time I come with a new video that you guys will definitely be notified. And also guys, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.